Hi, my name is Chandra Shirut and my register number is UA15CS356. So today we are going to see about the sequence diagram and how it can be implemented using star UML. An application we are going to do it is for an online course registration system. So let's get started as to what the sequence diagram is. So a sequence diagram is a UML diagram which represents an application based on the timeline and the period in which it was created. Now it comes in a sequence. So if one functionality has been done by one particular object, then based on the the period of time that it takes, it keeps on it keeps on getting displayed. And we have various notations for these sequence diagrams, and let's see what those are. Now this is a classifier role, and this classifier is nothing but an object which represents the functional which represents an object or a component. This is going to be a message. Now this messenger or message is going to pass or is going to act as a communicational device between two other objects. And this is my activation. This is activation, which is nothing but the period of time within which a functionality has or a task is being done. So that is the activation part. And this is a self message, that is within a single object or a class. It keeps on, the message gets done. Now it is numbered. It can be numbered using a normal numerical form or also in the decimal form. But here we have gone with the numerical one. So since mine is actually an online course registration system, I've got 4 different objects which are nothing but student, course catalog, online registration, and billing system. So what the student does is, initially the starting the starting of the diagram is done mainly by the student who requests for a catalog, and the catalog is provided by the course catalog, which also it gives additional details such as the professional details, the department, also the prerequisites that is required. Then we've got, and these all are done within this period of time. And then we've got online course registration, which provides which offers 4 courses, and these 4 courses can either be filled or they can be cancelled. So we have it here, and the student chooses one of those courses. Then you've got the billing system, who provides credit for all the courses that are dropped, or the courses are dropped, and the student and the courses can either be added or dropped by the student. And finally, after all of the prerequisites are met, or after all the processes have been completed, we've got the billing system, who sends the information about all the the registration that has been done to the online registration, and finally it bills the students, and the student pays the bill. So the sequence diagram is mostly used to represent the timeline, and this is a lifeline which represents the life of the object, how long the object can be prolonged. So this is a simple explanation of a sequence diagram, and thank you.